In this video, we're going to talk about how to use the HLookUp function. So here we have some data with some information about these individuals, like their sales revenue, phone number, email, age, leads given, number of clients, and so forth. And the HLookUp function is very similar to the VLOOKUP function, which works in a vertical direction, but the HLookUp function works in a horizontal direction. And these two functions, they're very useful. Let's say if you have a huge list of data and you want to be able to quickly look up something. And so I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So let's say if we want to find out the sales revenue for David. So let's type in sales revenue and let's put David's name here. Now, the data is going to be entered into this cell where we're going to use the HLookUp function. So type in equals, and then H, lookup, parentheses. Now for the lookup value, we're looking up David's information, and so his name is currently at cell B11. So let's type in B11, comma, and then select the entire table array, and then comma. Now we need to select a row. So right now we want to determine David's sales revenue. So the sales revenue is found in row 2. So let's type in 2. And then for the last part, we have two options, true or false. So if we want an approximate match, let's say if we misspelled David's name, then we would select the true option. But let's use the other option, false. If we choose to use this option, we need to type in David's name exactly as it is over here. So as you can see, we have the sales revenue for David, which is $128,000. And so that's how you could use the HLookUp function to find out information within a huge data list. Now let's look up something for, let's say, Vanessa. Let's look up her age. And so let's type in HLookUp, and then, so we're looking up Vanessa. Her name is in B12. Just like we did before, we're going to select the entire table array. Now, the age is found in the 5th row. So let's select row 5, and then let's choose this option again. And so we get 24, which is what we have here for Vanessa's age. And so that worked out. Now let's look up something for Juliet. Let's say if we want to look up her email address. So following the same process, now Juliet's name is found in cell B13, and then select the entire table array. And we're looking for the email, which is found in row 4. And let's choose false again. So her email, based on this information, is juliet.g@comcast.net. Let's do one more. Let's say we want to look up, let's choose Laura. Let's say if we want to look up how many leads she received. So let's type in leads given, and then use the HLookUp function again. So her name is found in cell B14, and then let's select everything. And then the leads given, that option is found in row 6, and then let's use false again. So based on this, we can see that Laura received 98 leads. Now, you can change the name. For example, let's say if we want to find the sales revenue for Crystal. all you got to do is replace David's name with Crystal, and you'll see that her sales revenue is $114,000. Now let's look up Greg's age. So if we replace Vanessa with Greg, we can get his age. And so the table automatically updates it, and we can see that his age is 37. Now let's say if we want to find how many leads Craig received, just replace Laura with Craig, and he received 225 leads. And so once you write this information here, you don't need to rewrite the HLookUp function. All you need to do is change the name, and it's automatically going to find that data that you're looking for. So that's it for this video. Now you know how to use the HLookUp function, which works very similar to the VLOOKUP function in Excel. Thanks for watching.